Welcome to the season finale of the BodyMaitre podcast. I'm Derek. This is episode 11. We have arrived at the completion of our series, Mastering Gratitude with 4 Bodies. Together, we have traveled a long way. We have healed the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies. We have harmonized our relationships, grounded into Mother Earth, expanded to the universe, and made peace with money. But there is one relationship that makes all of this possible, the relationship with yourself. If you do not offer gratitude to the one living this life, the one who has survived, adapted, and grown, then the circuit is incomplete. Today, we integrate everything. We are going to seal the work of the last 10 episodes into a state of deep self-respect and wholeness. Find a comfortable position. Let us complete this circle together. Before we begin, let us gently create a safe and supported space. I invite your higher self, the wisdom of your soul, and the universal intelligence that has guided this journey to be present with us now. Please surround this space with protection, clarity, and completion. Allow everything explored in this series to integrate in the way that best serves your life, with full respect for free will. You don't need to do anything special, just allow this moment to be held. Now allow yourself to arrive, not as someone trying to improve, not as someone fixing or manifesting, but simply as yourself, here, now. If you've listened to this series or even just this episode, a journey has already taken place. You don't need to remember every step. Just notice that you are here. Bring your attention to the natural rhythm of the breath. Notice how it moves in and flows out without effort. Feel the physical body being supported by the ground, by gravity, by life itself. This body has been with you through everything. Now, notice the emotional space within. Perhaps there is tenderness, fatigue, relief, or neutrality. Whatever is present is welcome. You don't need to judge how far you've come. Just allow the emotional body to soften in your own presence. Thoughts may arise, reflections, comparisons, judgments, or expectations. There is no need to evaluate yourself. For this moment, the mind does not need to measure progress. It only needs to witness. Now gently invite your higher self forward, the part of you that has lived, learned, adapted, and grown through many experiences. Silently or out loud, you may say, I invite my higher self to integrate all gratitude I have cultivated across this journey into my physical body, emotional body, mental body, and spiritual body. Allow everything learned to settle naturally without effort. From this grounded space, turn your awareness inward, not to your image, not to your roles, but to the one who has lived your life, the one who has tried, the one who has endured, the one who has adapted when things were difficult. This is the self we are acknowledging. Gently, silently, or out loud, begin to offer gratitude. Thank you to myself for staying. Thank you for the choices I made with the awareness I had. Thank you for the times I kept going even when I was tired. Thank you for the ways I protected myself. Thank you for the ways I learned. If there are parts of you you've judged or been hard on, allow gratitude to reach them too. Thank you for surviving. Thank you for growing. Thank you for continuing to show up. You are not asked to approve of everything, only to acknowledge that you lived it. Now, bring gratitude to each of the four bodies. To the physical body that carried you, thank you for endurance and presence. To the emotional body that felt for you, thank you for sensitivity and protection. To the mental body that tried to make sense of life, thank you for problem solving and vigilance. To the spiritual body that remembered even when you forgot, thank you for guidance and continuity. Allow gratitude to flow through all four bodies as recognition, not evaluation. Now notice what it feels like to be with yourself without criticism, not self-importance, not denial, just respect. Notice how the body responds when the self is no longer an enemy. This is integration. This gratitude is now known to your physical body as safety. It is known to your emotional body as acceptance. It is known to your mental body as permission to rest. And it is known to your spiritual body as wholeness. This master gratitude is gently sealed across all four bodies. When you're ready, begin to sense the space around you, the room, the sounds, the body resting here. There is no separation between meditation and life. Carry this relationship with yourself into your daily moments. Gratitude does not make you passive, it makes you present. When you meet yourself with respect, life meets you differently. This is not an ending, it is a return. You can come back to this space anytime you forget who you are. Thank you. Thank you for taking this journey with me. We have now completed the Mastering Gratitude with Four Bodies series. You have built a foundation of high-frequency energy that will support you in everything you do, whether that is your health, your relationships, your career, or your spiritual growth. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to be grateful. You just need to be willing to shift your focus. If you have enjoyed this series, please share it with someone who might need it. The entire playlist will remain here on the BodyMaitre channel for you to revisit whenever you need a tune-up. I am Derek. It has been an honor to guide you. Until next time, be gentle with yourself.